In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common authentication issues in Microsoft Outlook. If you've been experiencing trouble signing into Outlook, it might be time to refresh your authentication tokens. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to help you get back to a smooth email experience. So, let's jump right in. First things first, we'll start by closing Outlook. This ensures that any changes we make won't be hindered by a background process. Once you've closed Outlook, our next task is to open Credential Manager on your Windows computer. Credential Manager is a built-in Windows feature that stores credentials used on your system, and it plays a key role in managing your authentication details. With Credential Manager open, look for any saved credentials associated with Microsoft Office, Outlook, or AOL. These are the credentials we need to remove. Removing them won't erase your login info permanently. Instead, it will clear out any corrupted or outdated credentials that could be preventing you from signing in properly. Once you've found and removed them, you can close Credential Manager. Now that we've cleared out those credentials, it's time to reopen Outlook. As you start it up again, you should be prompted to sign in with your credentials. Go ahead and enter your details, and hopefully you'll find that the sign-in issues have been resolved. By doing this, we've refreshed the authentication tokens, which are often the culprit when you're unable to sign in. However, if you're still encountering issues, we have another simple step to try. Let's restart Outlook in safe mode. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up the Run dialog box, where you'll need to type in outlook.exe/safe, and then press enter. What this does is launch Outlook without any add-ins. If you find that Outlook works perfectly fine in safe mode, it's likely that an add-in is causing the problem. Add-ins are third-party applications that can sometimes interfere with Outlook's functionality. To identify the troublesome add-in, you'll need to re-enable them one at a time until you find the one causing the issue. Once identified, you can consider disabling or removing it to prevent future problems. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most authentication problems in Outlook. Remember, sometimes credentials get outdated or corrupted, and a quick refresh is all it takes to get things back in working order. If Outlook works in safe mode but not normally, take a closer look at your add-ins. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped solve your Outlook issues. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.